Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Almas Ghinaa Kamila with student ID number 2410117120014. And today I'm going to explain the content of our poster title, Listening, draw conclusion about who, what, and where, which is especially useful for double listening practice. This poster was created by me and my partner. We designed this to help you understand how to answer common questions in double short dialogues, especially those that don't give you answer directly. In double short dialogues, you will often to ask to make conclusion about a conversation. The question will not give you the answer directly, so you need to pay close attention to the context, what the speakers say, how they say it, and what is happening in the situation. There are usually three types of questions that appear. First, who is probably talking? Two, what will the speaker probably do next? And third, where does the conversation probably take place? Those three types help test your understanding beyond just words. They test if you can make logical guesses based on details. Let's go into each one more deeply. First, the first type of question is about who. This means you have to guess who is involved in the dialogue. Maybe a student, a librarian, a doctor, or even a tourist. In the example in our poster, the sentence says, the wind was strong, and Mia had tied to her umbrella as she walked past puddles on the sidewalk. So, who is the character? The character is Mia. So, who is Mia? From the context, we can guess she is someone walking outside in the rain. Even so, we know her name is Mia. Tobel doesn't just want the name, they want us to figure out what kind of person she is or what she's doing. So, here, Mia is like a pedestrian, a person walking outside, probably in a city or a neighborhood. And next is what? What is happening or what will happen next? Still using the same example, Mia is holding her umbrella and walking through puddles. So, we can conclude that it is raining and she is walking in a bad weather. This kind of information helps us guess that situation even though it's never directly stated. In Tobel, you will often need to make this kind of logical guess based on clues. For example, someone grabbing a coat might mean it's cold outside. The third question is where. Where is the conversation or situation happening? Again, using the same sentence, we can guess that Mia is outside, maybe in a city or neighborhood. Since she's walking on the sidewalk and passing puddles, so even if the dialogue never directly says Mia is in the city, you can infer it from the details. The skill of reading between the lines is really helpful, not just in Tobel but in real-life conversation too. In our poster, we also add a sample dialogue and multiple choice question. Let me read part of it. The woman says, I couldn't find the biology textbook you recommended. And the man said, you should check the campus bookstore. If they're out of stock, the librarian might help you find a copy. And the woman says, that's a good idea. I'll go there before my class starts. And man said, let me know if you need help. I used to work in the library last semester. From this short dialogue, we can answer the man is most likely a student and the woman is looking for a textbook because she said she couldn't find the biology textbook. And 3, she will probably go to the library next because the man mentioned that the librarian might help her. This type of question tests your ability to understand clues and context, which are very common in Tobel. It's not just about listening, it's about interpreting what you hear. There's also a short exercise that in our poster to test your skills. It asks you to guess who is the man, what will he probably do, where does the conversation take place. And there is code QR that you can scan them so you know what is the conversation to answer the exercise. So that's all for our poster explanation. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you in your TOEFL listening practice. Good luck and keep practicing. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.